Hi, it's Melissa. I wanted to come to you today and really kind of explore that old saying that we've all heard. If mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. And there's just no truer words. And I really kind of wanted to explore that with you today and maybe find out, and I know everybody's story is different. And everybody's at a different stage of raising children. Mine are grown, admittedly. And I know that there are several out there. You're raising young children, toddlers, adolescents, teenagers, and bless all of you. One of the things I know that from my own journey, not just coaching hundreds of women that have children, and not specifically on that subject, but it just happened to be an outpouring of it, is that when we're walking in low self-worth, we have the tendency to bring our misery and bleed that onto our children without us being not even aware of it, not even being consciously aware of it, just going through your day-to-day. But if there's something in your past that you're allowing to define you, if there's something going on in your life that's circumstantial and it's affecting how you think and what you're feeling and what you're believing on the inside of you, then I invite you, not only mostly for your sake, but for your children's sake, to evaluate that. It's like the first thing I want you to do is really kind of evaluate, what am I thinking and what am I feeling and what am I giving to my children out of that I may not even be aware of. I actually did an interview with a former client of mine just day before yesterday, and we were discussing the struggles that she had had when she was making really bad decisions based on her self-worth, and it was carrying over and bleeding over to her children. And it wasn't until I coached her and really kind of made her see, this is going to be a pattern that you're going to keep sowing if you don't find out who you truly are in God and really sow that into your heart by what you think and what you feel and about what you pursue and plant in your heart. So that's the second thing that I want you to do after you've evaluated, and don't beat yourself up if you think, oh my gosh, I've been doing this completely wrong and I wasn't even aware of it. Do not beat yourself up. So that would actually be the second thing that I would really beg for you to not do. Instead, have compassion like you're your best friend, and just say, you know what? Absolutely. I could absolutely change the way that I think and the way that I feel and the way that I so result into my life and my children's lives. And and your husband's life, if that's applicable. And you can say, okay, I changed my mind right now. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to feel something different. I'm going to think something different, and I'm going to have a different result. And to actually open yourself up to the possibility that you are valuable. Trade that messy past for that God-given value. Sow into yourself and take the time to do that, even if you just got to close the bathroom door. I know, especially for you young moms, you may have to just close that bathroom door and get that alone time. But to absolutely take that time to prepare your heart, and I'm telling you, you will come out of that bathroom better mom. I've done it. I've led many women to do the same thing. It's a process. It doesn't happen overnight. But if you effectively take action every single day, you will see the results. You will feel better, and you will give your children the best version of you. And that is just so crucial and so vital for their young minds and hearts, and for you to just to thrive in your life. It's magic. Thank you. I hope that this has helped you today.